Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to be looking at changing a mixed number into an improper fraction. Now, in the previous video, we did look at how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. If you are interested in that video, feel free to go check it out. The link will be down in the description. Now, with that said, let's take a look at example number 1. So here we are given this mixed number. How do we change it to an improper fraction? It's very easy. All we need to do is say 1 multiplied by 4. So the whole number part multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator. So 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5 becomes our new numerator. Okay? So how did we get this 5? We took the whole number part, which is 1, multiplied it with the denominator, which is 4. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, plus 1 is equals to 5. Now the denominator always stays the same, so 4 is our denominator. And just like that, we have just changed this mixed number into an improper fraction. Quite easy, isn't it? Now if you did find that easy, do give us a huge thumbs up on this video. Now with that said, let's take a look at example number 2. Now example number 2, we have this mixed number. How do we change it to an improper fraction? The method is the same. We take the whole number part, which is 2, we multiply it with the denominator, which is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2. That will be 12, so 12 will be our new numerator. And then 5 stays at the denominator. And just like that, we are done with example number 2 as well. Let's take a look at example number 3. Now, by this point, this should be a piece of cake. Okay? So what do? I should be the one actually asking you. But since I'm the one recording this video, we take the whole number part, which is the 3, multiply it with the denominator, and add the numerator. So what is 3 times 4? That's 12. Plus 3 is 15. So 15 becomes our numerator, and then the denominator stays the same, which is 4. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are done changing this mixed number into an improper fraction. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, share with friends, family and classmates. And with that said, cheers.